How much water would it take to actually drown you from the inside? 1 liter. You feel refreshed as the cool liquid floods your system, replenishing your cells and making your skin glow with healthy hydration. Your kidneys easily process the intake, filtering the excess with perfect efficiency as you feel a slight, clean surge of energy. 3 liters. Your stomach begins to distend, stretching uncomfortably against your ribs as the sheer volume of liquid sloshes with every sudden movement. You are rushing to the bathroom every 10 minutes, but despite the constant relief, a strange, heavy dullness begins to settle deep in your gut. 6 liters. Disaster strikes as your kidneys hit their absolute limit, unable to flush the massive influx fast enough to maintain a safe chemical balance. Your blood becomes dangerously diluted, causing sodium levels to plummet as your cells act like desperate sponges, soaking up the water until they swell toward their breaking point. 8 liters. The pressure becomes unbearable as your brain, trapped within the rigid confines of your skull, begins to expand and press hard against the bone. Agonizing headaches shatter your focus, while your vision blurs into a chaotic smear of light, leaving you stumbling in a state of profound, terrifying confusion. 10 liters. Your nervous system misfires as extreme hyponatremia triggers massive seizures that rack your entire body with uncontrollable tremors. Everything goes dark. The pressure on your brainstem finally forces your lungs to fail, plunging you into a fatal coma as your heart stops, proving that even the source of life can be a lethal executioner.